Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the Vivo Y300 5G mobile. In this we are discussing about all the features about the phone. Firstly, we are discussing about the operating system of this phone is funtouch OS 14 and Android version 14. The processor is Snapdragon Gen 14 and CPU Core Unit 8 and process node is 4 nanometers. Battery is 5000 mAh and charging speed is 80 watt. The type of the battery is lithium. The RAM is 8GB and storage space is 128 GB. RAM type of this mobile is LPDDR4X and ROM type is UFS 2.2. And RAM capacity is 8GB and the ROM capacity is 2TB. After that we are discussing about the display. The display size is 6.67 inches and weight is 188 grams. The resolution is 2400 x 1080 AMOLED. Refresh rate of this phone is 120Hz. Peak brightness is 1800. The front camera is 32MP and rear camera is 50MP. The connectivity of this mobile is Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.0 USB 2.0.